हेलो दोस्तों, पी के स्मार्ट मोटिवेशन की एक नई वीडियो में आप सबको खुश आमदीद। तो चले वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं।
The government's decision to raise the retail prices of urea by 5% to recover the full cost of imported fertilizer will burden the smallholder farmers, but not by much, full stop. Small price jolts don't matter, even though these may initially pinch small growers rather sharply, provided they are getting the right price for their produce, full stop. Under the Economic Coordination Committee decision, a weighted average price for a mix of local and imported urea has been worked out through a basket price mechanism to recover 30 billion rupees in 2024 after both the center and provinces, barring Sindh, refused to shoulder the burden of subsidy, full stop. The latest urea price increase notwithstanding, the farmers will still be getting the chemical at nearly 35 to 40% discount to the import price of 6,250 rupees per 50 kilograms bag, full stop. Under the arrangement with the industry, the urea manufacturers will lift 220,000 tons of fertilizer from the port according to their market share and sell it at the new prices, which is 160 rupees to 171 per bag, higher than the current retail rates, full stop. Since the new increase aims to recover the cost of imported urea, it should not impact the producer's margins, full stop. The authorities had ordered imports to bridge the domestic supply gap, which has already created a big black market in most parts of country, full stop. Consequently, the farmers, especially the smallholders, are forced to pay a minimum premium of 1,000 rupees per bag on top of the market price, full stop. There have also been reports of acute urea shortages in some parts, with farmers queuing up for hours to purchase a few bags, full stop. Will the imports be enough to eradicate the black market, ? That is unlikely, full stop. According to some reports, a nexus between fertilizer producers and their distributors is largely responsible for the artificial shortages, which have been recurring year after year during the winter season when nitrogen is needed in larger quantities for wheat plant growth, full stop. Rather than controlling urea pricing, the authorities should focus on eliminating urea unavailability and the black market to provide relief to growers, full stop.
अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर लाजमी करें और बेल आइकॉन को भी दबा दें